From now on. The idiom, from now on, is used to indicate that something will start happening or changing in the present moment and will continue into the future. It suggests a definitive shift or a new way of doing things that will be maintained going forward. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the meaning of this idiom. 1. I have decided to eat healthier, so from now on, I will be cooking my meals at home instead of ordering takeout. In this example, the person is expressing their intention to change their eating habits. They are stating that starting at this moment, they will begin cooking their own meals and will continue to do so in the future. 2. I apologize for my tardiness. From now on, I will make sure to leave home earlier to avoid being late. In this case, the speaker is acknowledging their habit of being late and promising to make a change. They are stating that beginning now, they will leave their house earlier to ensure they are on time in the future. 3. We have been wasting too much paper in the office. From now on, let's try to be more environmentally conscious and use digital documents whenever possible. Here, the speaker is addressing a problem in the office and suggesting a solution. They are proposing that starting now, the office should make an effort to be more eco-friendly by reducing paper usage and opting for digital documents instead. Overall, the idiom, from now on, is used to indicate a shift or a change that will begin at the present moment and continue into the future. It is a way of expressing a commitment to a new way of doing things or a different approach to a particular situation.